Welcome to Me Business English. If you like this content, then please like and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you work in the office or work with other people, then check out this free ebook. And all the details are in the description below. In this activity, your activity instructions are to make sentences and questions, phrases by matching the two parts. Let's begin. Number 1. So we have the words, how can I? Let's aim to do a match. The choices are, have your name and address, please. Repeat that. Do for you. And help you. Let's set the timer. You have 5 seconds to get the answer, starting from now. And the answer is, how can I help you? Number 2. So we have the words, what can I? Let's aim to do a match. The choices are, have your name and address, please. Repeat that. Do for you. Any other questions? Let's begin the timer, starting from now. And the answer is, what can I do for you? Number 3. So we have the words, let me just, and let's aim to do a match. The choices are, talk you through the steps, that you received the goods today. Any other questions? To your satisfaction. Let's begin the timer, starting from now. And the answer is, let me just talk you through the steps. Number 4. I hope this is. Let's find a match. The choices are, the problem in more detail. That you received the goods today. Any other questions? To your satisfaction. Let's start the timer. And the answer is, I hope this is to your satisfaction. Number 5. I'll take care. Let's find a match. The choices are, the problem in more detail. That you received the goods today. Of this straight away. Any other questions? You have 5 seconds to get the answer, commencing from now. And the answer is, I'll take care of this straight away. Moving on to number 6. I will personally make sure. And the match choices are, the problem in more detail. That you received the goods today. Repeat that. And any other questions? Let's start the timer, commencing from now. And the answer is, I will personally make sure that you receive the goods today. Number 7. Do you have? Let's find a match. The choices are, the problem in more detail. To make sure everything is all right. Repeat that. Any other questions? And the timer has appeared. Let's start it from now. And the answer is, do you have any other questions? Number 8. Let me just. And the match choices are the problem in more detail. To make sure everything is all right. Repeat that. Clear up to now. You have 5 seconds to get the answer, commencing from now. And the answer is, let me just repeat that. Number 9. Could you explain? And the matching choices are the problem in more detail. Have your name and address, please. Sound all right. Clear up to now. Let's start the timer now. And the right answer is, could you explain the problem in more detail? And finally, number 10. Could I just? The match choices are for helping me so quickly. Have your name and address, please. Sound all right. Clear up to now. Let's start the timer at 5 seconds. And the answer is, could I just have your name and address, please? I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Tumi Business English channel. And don't forget that also we offer coupon codes to get discounts on our online courses in the description below.